What's up, YouTube? I just got off for work. While I'm doing this video, I got another unboxing. This time it's Boyz in the Hood. This is a great film. I always like to watch this every once in a while, so I'm glad to finally have a steelbook. Here's the back of it, so if you want to pause and read it. This is a Best Buy exclusive. Hope everybody's enjoying their Saturday. I am, because I actually got off at a decent time tonight. Still got to go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning, but this also comes with a digital code, which I will not be giving away because I don't own it on digital. So maybe when I get an extra digital code for it, I'll be giving it away. But as of right now, I'm not. Here's a digital copy. Make sure you guys don't see that so I can. We got the We got the 4K disc. It's good, 4K disc. Then we got, of course, we got the Blu-ray disc, which is blue, and the back is good. And I'm not impressed by the inside. No artwork. It's just gold. But the back of it is pretty awesome. And the front is pretty awesome. So y'all let me know what y'all thought of this movie. I love this movie. And every time I see it come on regular TV, I'll always watch it. No matter how old it gets, I'll always watch it. I'm excited to get the PS5 because I can play my 4K on it. I also got a mail call, something that I ordered from a friend on Facebook. So they taped it really good. Shout out to Desiree Hernandez. I mean, not Hernandez, I'm tripping. Sorry, Desiree. It's Desiree Sanders. Desiree Sanders. I'm sorry, Desiree. Don't beat me up. A lot of bubble wrap. You know, she took care of my pop. She took care of it. Let me show y'all what it is. It's a Funko Pop, but y'all know which one it is until I show y'all. Let me get all this bubble wrap off of it. It's well protected. And there we have it. We have Russell Westbrook from the Houston Rockets. Russell Westbrook from the Houston Rockets. Yes, as you guys know, the Houston Rockets are my favorite team. So, shout out to her. I have James Harden, so now I have his teammate, Russell Westbrook. Comment in the sections down below. What's your favorite NBA team? If you can do that for me. If you can share my video, give my video a thumbs up because it's free. What I always like to say, Hulk, smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Go Rockets, go Astros, go Texans, and be kind to one another like my friend Forever Freaky Funko says, and please, no bullying. Thank you. I'm out.